Let me show you our structure welding place. This is the room we just out. Let's go to our factory yard. It's very cold here. Now I will show you our painting place. This is a water tank. Water tank. Our workers. Can you see clear? Here is going to see the painting. This is a cell for the structure. This is for a painting room. Here also. This is a small door, the back door from the one we just came out. Because our factory are at the suburb, so our office is at the center of Jinan City. Here is mainly used for produce. Let me show you our factory manager.
But now, the thing is, it moves very easy, it's very light. But now when you're moving a whole fucking gantry, if the lead screw is designed for the x-axis and
Yeah, but of course it will, because the fucking gantry is
now heavy, white